Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Wikkiv car air rubber hose tire inflator. It says it's compatible with EPAuto, AstroAI, JACO, DBPOWER, Mbrain, and so on and so on, but it doesn't say anything about the normal Schrader valve compatibility, so I'm going to test that for you. So here is how we get it. So let's open it and see what we get. So the idea when I was buying was to have something long. I have some pumps which have very short hose. I also wanted to have like this quick connection here, and I wanted to have also this pressure release valve. Yeah, and apart from the function, the reason why I bought exactly this one here from this brand is because I have found that this was the cheapest thing, the best offer with the best reviews on Amazon. So we have pretty much everything what we usually want. So let's see how it works. And the idea was to buy this to replace this one here, which I have on this electric tire inflator. So we can usually remove this thing here. So let's see if this is compatible, and it's definitely not. So this is not going to fit here. So what I've just realized, of course, because it's not compatible here, because this is some kind of a proprietary opening here, it's not Schrader, so we can still use the original one here. And because this is Schrader to Schrader, we can even put it here on this valve. Looks a little bit uncommon, but it should work. So let's turn it on here. So I can definitely confirm there was the air here and no leak here, so even works in this configuration. But I have more of them, so let's see if this one fits here. So looks like here we have another type, and this seems to go into here. So nice fit. It's a little bit tight here. This valve is a little bit close, but I can still move it. So somehow looks like these manufacturers are using different ports here. And I have even another one with some built-in hose, which I think I cannot even replace. So this is definitely then the Schrader valve. So let's see if we can use that for the Schrader. And I would say this fits perfectly. So yeah, here we have the Schrader to Schrader, obviously really nice. And so this is also then the Schrader, I would say. So let's remove, maybe we can make this quick test here. Yeah, this definitely fits, but I'm also going to test this on my bike or bicycle with Schrader valve. Yeah, so I'm here in the garage, and here is what I'm doing. I have here this Schrader valve. Usually it was the Presto, but I have added this adapter, so it's exactly like a car tire valve. And so I'm having this one here with this extension, and you can see now even when the valve is on top, I can easily access it with this extension here. And so I'm clipping this here on, very easy, much easier than before. And so let's turn it on. We select the bicycle, 30 psi, start. Yeah, I had to start over because I was not adding this perfectly, so you really have to make sure that you push it all the way up, and only then it will work. And you can see now it has been going up very fast, and we have been successfully adding up to 30 psi, and I can remove it, yeah, much easier than screwing. And I would say also easier than this with this lever here, which I had. So I think it's a really nice thing. Okay, yeah, I'm losing a little bit of pressure when I apply it, but it's definitely not much. So I think it's a really good thing. Maybe I'll have to get used to that a little bit, but it's definitely the fastest way to do. So I can give you a full recommendation, and so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.